Instead of saying, I'm extremely busy, say, I have a lot on my plate.
Unfortunately, I have a lot on my plate today, so...
I have a lot on my plate.
As a doctor, I have a lot on my plate!
Anthony, I have a lot on my plate right now.
Instead of saying, don't give up, say, hang in there.
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Hang in there, Andre. Hang in there.
Hang in there.
I'm coming. Hang in there. Hang in there.
Instead of saying, let's be honest, say, let's call a spade a spade.
Let's call a spade a spade.
Okay, call a spade a spade. This party stinks.
And let's call a spade, all right?
Instead of saying, that's how things are, say, that's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's the way the cookie crumbles?
Well, that's the way the cookie crumbles.
The way the cookie crumbles.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Well, that's how the cookie crumbles.
Instead of saying, that was really easy, say, it was a walk in the park.
It's gonna be a walk in the park.
Oh, a walk in the park.
It's gonna be a walk in the park.
Instead of saying, you're making a big deal out of nothing, say, you're making a mountain out of a molehill.
Oh, you're making mountains out of molehills?
Betty, I can't talk to you when you're like this. You're making a mountain out of a molehill.
You're making a mountain out of a molehill, Miss Hayes.
Do you think we might be making a mountain out of a molehill here?
Instead of saying, let's stop talking and take action, say, put your money where your mouth is.
Unless you want to put your money where your mouth is.
Well, put your money where your mouth is and do it then! Do it!
Well, then you better put your money where your mouth is.
Put your money where your mouth is, Mr. Sheriff.
Instead of saying, I made a mistake, say, I dropped the ball.
And not only did I drop the ball, I shit the bed.
I dropped the ball.
Prosecutor dropped the ball.
On the other hand, if you drop the ball...
They didn't drop the ball.
Instead of saying, let's forget about it, say, let's wipe the slate clean.
Okay, let's wipe the slate clean and start again.
Wipe the slate clean. Time to wipe the slate clean.
Just to wipe the slate clean.
We're willing to wipe the slate clean.
Instead of saying, it's very risky, say, it's a leap of faith.
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 It's a leap of faith. It's like,
You won't. It's a leap of faith.
It's a leap of faith.
Instead of saying, you're very lucky, say, you hit the jackpot.
We hit the jackpot, bullseye!
Wow! We hit the jackpot!
We hit the jackpot here!
I definitely hit the jackpot.
We hit the jackpot.
Instead of saying, it's a big mess, say, it's a train wreck.
It was a train wreck.
Oh, it's a train wreck.
It was a train wreck!
She's a train wreck.
Instead of saying, you're in control, say, you're in the driver's seat.
You're in the driver's seat.
You're in the driver's seat.
I'm in the driver's seat now.
Because you're always in the driver's seat of our relationship.
Instead of saying, it's obvious, say, it's a no-brainer.
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 Instead of saying, that's suspicious, say, that's fishy.
That's fishy.
Oh, that's fishy.
That's fishy.
Let me know if you want more.